Guys, welcome back to another video. And today me and my son Aiden is gonna make some
Jamaican festival. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So we're back, guys.
So guys, these are all my ingredients I'm going to use for my Jamaican festival. So as you can see, I have my flour right here, I have my cornmeal right here, I have some mixed spice right here, I have me some vanilla right here, I have some salt with baking powder right here.
And I have some butter right and some sugar right here.
The process right now. So right here my flour is already sieved. So I'm going to put in my cornmeal. This is 1 cup of cornmeal and 1.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna put in my sugar. So I'm gonna sieve my sugar in case there's any lumps in the sugar. I'm gonna add my baking powder with my salt. I'm gonna put in my mixed spice. I'm gonna put in my butter. So I'm gonna mix in everything. Don't melt the butter, guys. Whenever you're making festival, don't mix the butter because you want to have that like crumbs texture, like, if I'm saying it the right way. You see that? Look at that. So now I'm gonna make a space in the middle and I'm gonna put in my vanilla. So I'm gonna use my water right here. I'm using like 6 ounces of water. And make sure, guys, when you're doing stuff like this, make sure your hands are clean, your fingernails are clean. If you're wearing nails, use a gloves. Now that my dough is ready, I'm going to leave it in the pan and I'm going to cover it for an hour. I'm going to leave it to cool for an hour and then I will get back to you guys. It's about that time. I'm going to fry my festival right now. So you can see, look at this, look at the amount, look at this. Okay. So I'm gonna drizzle some flour on this plate right here onto the surface. So I'm gonna pinch the amount that I want, like maybe this amount. And I'm rolling it into a ball and I'm gonna place it on the plate right there. So now, guys, that I roll them now, I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna put some flour on my hands. And I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put it in the palm of my hand and I'm gonna flatten it. Not perfect, but can go on. I wanna get the tail, but okay. My oil is already preheated. Guys, now that I roll them, I'm gonna put them in the oil. I'm gonna drop them in now. You see the dough rises. Look at that. Look how golden my festivals are. Okay guys, that's the finished product of my Jamaican festival. These taste so delicious, guys. So delicious. This is my first time making it from scratch. Normally I would use the one in the pack from Grace, I think, but this is my first time doing it from scratch, and I'm proud of myself. I did a good job and it tastes so good.
Hey guys, subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel and hit that bell.
And like and share this video out with your friends, with your families. Tell me what you think about this lovely set of Jamaican festival. Oh my god, I can't wait to dig into this. So guys, from my kitchen to yours, I'm out. I hope you enjoy.